In my this video, I am going to tell you how to use the dual WhatsApp in Smart 8 Pro. So if you have one WhatsApp but you want a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a clone WhatsApp or a second WhatsApp in your device, I will show you how you can install it. Watch the video and see how I will do it. Before that, don't forget to subscribe. Let's watch the video.